Hi guys, I'm Claire and I own Shift Janitorial. As you saw, we are modifying a Swiffer today to make it even more versatile. I'm duct taping a squeegee to the non-pad end of the Swiffer because today we are cleaning the windows for my large commercial client. The window cleaning solution I'm using is a Zepp product that I bought at Lowe's, and I'm just using this tap to fill up some solution in the bucket, and we're just going to take it right outside and use it on the windows with our new Swiffer creation. You can see a little bit here how the windows are kind of dirty, but you can't tell too well. Stick around in the video and you'll get to see a nice comparative shot. This method worked even better than I could have hoped, so the next time someone tells you that a Swiffer has no place on a commercial job site, tell them you saw this video one time and make sure they watch this nice before and after shot. This water started out clear, and if you stick around to the end of the video, you'll get another putrid pour. For the rest of the time, I'm just going to stay quiet, enjoy the clean.
All I you tell me that you're sorry. I'm not sorry, what you sorry for? Need a little love, I just need a little love. Cause all I do is work hard, no sleep, repeat it. All I do is work hard, no sleep, repeat it. All I do is work hard, no sleep, repeat it. Give a little love to a hit song machine.
I'm on the train headed back to Indiana. The rain is forming into rivers outside, writing down all the things that I miss, and in the letters you take form. No, I won't go back tonight with the habits of the restless me. I'm leaving all that stuff behind. We can start all over in our hometown, running free. It could be everything that we were chasing. I'm impatient just to see how you make everything fall into place. How you make everything fall into place. You see, you make everything. I'm the first one to get off at the station. There's something in the air that I can't place, and now I see a silhouette